Travel tips to European countries, Czech Republic. About the country. Czech Republic is located in Central Europe bordering Poland to the north, Germany to the northwest and west, Austria to the south, and Slovakia to the east. The capital of Czech Republic is Prague, which is also the biggest city of Czech Republic and a popular tourist destination. Czech Republic was earlier a part of Czechoslovakia, which was dissolved in January 1993 and was split into what is now called Czech and Slovak republics. Czech Republic is divided into two parts based on geographical and cultural classification. They are Bohemia and Moravia. Bohemian cities and towns are popular for their spas and wine vineyards. It is also home to many castles which are open for visitors. One of the other tourism attractions is the availability of hundreds of miles of marked trails for hiking, cycling and skiing. Population and languages. The population of Czech Republic is roughly 10.2 million and the official language being spoken is Czech. Climate. The climate of Czech Republic can be termed as temperate with hot summers and cold overcast winters. It also gets snow. Most of the rain comes down in summer. Due to different altitudes, the variation of temperatures is diverse. The temperatures are relatively low at high altitudes and more precipitation. The temperatures average only -0.4 degrees Celsius at high altitude areas, whereas the temperatures can average as high as 10 degrees Celsius in low altitude areas. Local customs. Dressing should be conservative and casual except at formal dinners. Tipping is usually 5 to 10% in restaurant, hotels and taxis. Attractions. The Castle District, Radiny. It has some of the best churches and museums and has some beautiful gardens. St. Vitus Cathedral. It is located in the Castle District, Charles Bridge, Karlov Most. This is one of the most popular tourist spots of the city. Old Town Square, Staromestské náměstí. It is the most vibrant square of Prague with many historical structures. It also hosts various markets every year like yearly Christmas market. Travel. By air. The national airline of Czech Republic is Czech Airlines. There are many other small and popular international airlines operating from Czech Republic. The major airport is Prague-Ruzyně International Airport, PRG. The airport is located approximately 10 miles northwest of Prague. By rail. The country is part of the extensive network of trains connecting the European cities.